Namaste everyone, I am Aditaji of grade 4B. The topic of the day is World Rainforest Day. We celebrate Rainforest Day on June 22nd. Rainforest Day are Earth's oldest ecosystem. Living things survive in their present form for at least 70 million years. The biggest rainforest is in Amazon in Brazil. The World Rainforest Day is celebrated to raise awareness and encourage everyone to join the fight to protect the rainforest. The theme of World Rainforest Day is to conserve, restore, regenerate. It emphasizes the teamwork necessary to save the health of rainforest. Come on, let us join the fight to protect the rainforest and maintain global biodiversity. Thank you all.